Okay.
One thoughtless moment passes in slow motion. As I lie down, I realize that all I wish is to get rid of this
Hey,
obsessive
thank you for the
devotion.
follow. We are just getting started. The avatar is pretty far along, but missed texture, so I'm trying to find something good for down feather texture. That open on the right though. Yeah. Let's see, we have the initiative done. Some nice circuitry. It's still missing some texture, so let's find some of those normal. That's gonna be imported under texture. Am I in the art? So I was trying to find some down feather texture. Okay. Portraits first. We'll just get those two. Those are gonna be texture. Okay, let's put a flat normal there. And let's make a new fill layer under the correction layer. Nothing much. That one is not looking too bad, but it look more like sand. Play with the tiling there. That look more like Pedal. RT2 tiling is too much.
Free my mind, heal my scars, erase the past. Dark days to forget, and memories to last in the heart. Make me forget and
That's
forgive.
looking good
There's
overall.
no use to
need to correct the bump. What the? What the? The filament on my 3D printer just broke and shot away. Oh. That's, that's quite a surprise. Oh. I need to add more corrective layer. I need to add more correction. Vertigo will be starting with not supposed to be affected. But the correct partly was sometimes things do get complicated and you need to do some quite advanced stuff. We have Steam. We have the cloud. We have the mind. we have done? Whew, I'm doing good. Right now I'm working on the mask so I can apply feather normal to the avatar. Normal or try to pain in the ass because they don't always get properly replaced. But how are you doing? Far too far. Oh, that's all the mask we don't want the feather on. No. Let me correct that. I have a pretty quiet part. So, how well is that? That should be better. But how are you doing? We can open that in Krita. And then create our mask or the feather normal. Oh, that's nice. I haven't done 2D in a while. It's a long story, but our old ceiling collapsed on me, and my motor skill are not as good since. Just started practicing to regain my line confidence. I used to love doodling, but now I mostly just do 3D instead. Okay. We have the background. You don't need to make a model. A texture can make or break a model, and it's like drawing but on a 3D plane. Let me remember to save. I can even use my drawing tablet if I want to be more precise. It's just let me let open something more interesting. At least for the context. Uh, that's Anonymous for a gift commission I'm working on. I had to undraw all the crease. It did go pretty well with a drawing pen. It's literally just drying, but in a 3D space. The software are very nice, fun to use. Yeah, I'm literally just taking my pen and doodling. Uh, Blender is based on the industry standard, and from my experience doing animation is CAD is intuitive, animation is not. I want to do my own model too at some point, but it's quite a steep learning curve. I may have the best advice that I heard is to get multiple angle of the model, just place them in Blender and start from primitive shape and just add loop, move them to the reference, add loop, move them to the reference, and that's the best way I heard to start making a very basic model. But right now I'm not quite there in terms of scale. I learned to rig in Blender though first. So I did re-rig my own VTuber model so I can have all the kit tracking shapes. The logiciel I use don't always catch them super well though. Yeah, model planting, but I can re-rig. I can do all the fancy shader stuff too to get most out of the textures. I can also model clothing, but I'm cheating a little. I know how to sew and I have a little plugin that allow me to just take clothing pattern and convert them into 3D model in Blender. It's quite fun. It's a nice shortcut if you already know how to sew and do some cosplay. I have I've done a dress, but I need to redo it because I broke the rest of the model during the fitting. Piece of advice. Moving a rigged model is a bad idea. Uh, And my spelling is awful. Sometimes. I made that one while just messing around. Uh, there's more part to it, but I kind of forget where I put them. Okay, let's get the smash started, shall we? La. That's definitely the boring part. But sometimes getting a good model, you need to do the boring part. Uh, 1, 2. Add another file layer. And ending. Uh, mountainside. Markings. Done. Doof. There. pass that filter because okay, so now we have that isolated. We can have filter layer on top of everything, and there we have our mask. It's better to export it as bitmap for that purpose. Where are the bitmap? And there we have our normal mask. So, okay, there we have our normal map. Let's apply the normal now. And there we have it. Now we can work on the teeth, the tooth. There. We have the tooth done. There. We can start exporting. Okay. There we have. It's very important to separate all that and get it's just necessary for the animation to really work. Ah, okay, the emissive is done. Ah, ah. There. Okay, let's. Ah, I accidentally had my mirror on. Oops. Let's disable the mirror. Wow. There, we are getting there. Slowly but surely. Ah, ah. Okay, so let's fix that. Now it's time to actually make an avatar of that project. Ah,
Chasing our addictions, we're stunting our growth. Once we get rid of this ballast, we'll be able to restore the balance and distribute our wealth.
there, we're getting to the fun part. We're getting to the fun part. I really need to make preset. Mhm. way. Mhm. Ah. Mm. Unity is always so long to open. It's kind of a pain. Let's save my presets so I can at least import the variable. Am I forgetting something? Copy. That. Dust. Now we have our preset. Ah. Hmm. Now we have the happy. Oh, there it is. Let's apply those presets. And there. We have a shader. We have a priest set with the right parameter. No. There we have the air. Um, there. We are getting there. Ah, let's see that in real time.
Our people will always be walking around here second-class citizens or what you call 20th century slaves.
There. Oh, oh Miyagi, you found your way in there. You want to VC right now? I mean, uh, let me. Oh, let me see. Let me see what I can do. Let's see. Are you
Uh,
on?
uh, wait one
Yeah,
second.
you are.
Hey, Sage, how's the stream going?
We
Is it
are
going good?
we are stealing someone else's shtick. Here's Syra.
What do you
She's
mean
probably gonna
what?
do moderation. You're
Probably.
you're on stream right now.
Yeah, I know. I just made some PRISONWINE a bit ago, and it's gonna take a while to ferment. Probably gonna take a few months.
You made. You know you can speak out loud for that.
Oh, uh, prison wine.
You made prison wine, or you just decided to let something good ferment?
I'm making prison wine. It's gotta ferment for a few months. I would think. I used fruit for the um yeast, and I used sugar because I like malt alcohol, and then I put in a bunch of Pepsi because that's the only other thing I had really.
I'm not sure about the Pepsi, but who know?
I'm not sure about the Pepsi either. I thought I should. I know I should have probably done like a fruity drink in there, like Fanta or whatever. But now I gotta not because I saw that uh Mr. Um Baby Oil himself made a prison wine, and I saw a video on it, and I'm like, what the fuck? It's that easy to make prison wine? I don't like the guy. Believe me, he's an ass, and he's a fucking weirdo, and he's basically no good, not good. Okay, I'm not endorsing Mr. Complimentary Baby Oil. Okay, I am just saying that he made prison wine. I saw a short about that, and
I
then
mean, at that point, you are not using ketchup or any weird ingredient. Is it really prison wine or
well, the thing is,
just questionable homemade
the
wine?
prison wine Mr. Baby Oil connoisseur made was it was apples, sugar, and Fanta, orange Fanta.
At that point, is it prison wine or just questionable homemade wine?
It's it's
Slightly
quote
questionable.
unquote prison. It's quote unquote prison wine. So I mean, I'm gonna like I already knew how to make prison wine. I didn't know you could use fruit as the yeast, and I didn't know if you threw in a bunch of sugar and make it kind of like more like malt liquor. Because I only recently realized malt liquor is just sugar based alcohol.
I mean, yeah. I mean, technically, it's you process the sugar from seed by
Hmm.
letting them quote unquote malt. It's a specific process. You take them, you let
I
them
can't do
ripen a
that.
little, you let them ripen a little, like when you do that EP thing where you have barely ripening seed as a vegetable,
Hmm.
but then you dry it and the process just bring out all the sugar into fermentable sugar, and you
Well,
get
the thing
some
is, I'm just
enzyme in
using
that.
granulated.
You
Thing is,
get enzyme.
I'm using do I have it? I'm using granulated sugar, and I'm using for fruit. I would have used apples, but we are out of apples, so I used grapes because I know those definitely ferment. Because that's the only other thing I could find that was fermentable. Because I know in Mr. Complimentary Baby Oils, um, I don't want to say his name. Okay, I don't want to give him publicity. But in Mr. Complimentary Baby Oils, fucking homemade alcohol or prison made alcohol, he he definitely used apples as a thing for yeast. I saw when somebody made it, they're like, let's pretend he had a friend in the kitchen and here's some fast yeast. It's like, motherfucker, you can't cheat like that.
Ah,
Like, so I was like, out of spite, I'm like, fuck you, I'm gonna make it as close to as that as possible that I can make and prove that like you can make that with like a bit of time, like
yeah,
like
I mean, they
yeah,
did
like
wine
you
with
don't have
grape
to
like that for generation.
exactly. So it's not like you have to like fucking ultra fucking yeast it up, baby. You know, it's just like you can. Uh, And now that I think about it, I shouldn't have used Pepsi. I should have used like something like sparkling water, maybe with the grapes.
Pepsi is super acidic. That may be a good thing.
Oh,
Yeah, yeast, they are good in acidic environment. The bullshit that you don't want to grow, it's not so very good in acidic environment. So if you acidify the environment, you give more chance to to the good natural yeast to grow rather than some harmful bacteria or
yeah. The thing
molds.
is, I tried to do something like that, like with some coffee. Because I was like, "Ooh, coffee, alcohol." But the thing is, that didn't turn out well. That turns into a coffee kombucha, and it looked kind of like a fur shader when I was looking at it. Like like there's little things in there, and I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna drink Warren's fur shader. No thanks. I'm not drinking Warren's fast fur.
Monochrome.
As much as that shader is great, I am not drinking it. You know what I mean? Because it looked
Yeah.
just like a carpet's made with Warren's fast fur. I'm like, ooh, I remember this texture.
So let's see. How did that mask turn out?
Oh,
Yeah,
I just realized there's a extension for Gnome that allows you to have Twitch in like a panel or something, or was it Twitch chat or something? I don't know. I let me see. I was looking at it. I don't think it's up to date for the newest Gnome though,
it's
but it
useful
should.
to have Twitch chat, but I have I made the stupidest thing.
But
I made a mini G display for Twitch chat only.
oh, okay. So it's a panel showing whether your favorite Twitch streamers are streaming. Okay, that could be good to keep track of when you're streaming. Thing is, it's unsupported in this Gnome version, and yeah. Also, I still need to get some fonts because there's a lot of fonts I'm
I
missing.
have a mask now because one of the shader effect don't respect the map.
Uh, Xorg 11 fonts misc. Okay. Sorry if I'm just doing weird Linuxy stuff. I there's I there's not really much else to do. I mean, I
I
might get a
mean,
call in a little bit, and I'm gonna have to take that. But other than that, yeah.
one small streamer that I follow literally have our moderator
Hmm.
in a Discord called Gaming while she do stuff.
Uh,
That's why I
do I
say
know
I'm
who that is?
stealing so much Star
Well, I
Saint.
mean, yeah, it's better to have someone there to not have someone there, you know?
Yeah, it certainly give more. It certainly make the chat more lively.
Oh,
You
speaking of
know.
that, I need to get something so I can view Twitch chat. GTK4 application maybe. Chat Chatterino I know is, what is that, QT? Or is that GTK? I don't know.
Emission 3 mask.
Okay, let's just go with Chatterino anyways.
The center don't really work well.
Yeah.
That's too bad because the effect will be cool if it respect the mask better.
And it's FlatHub. Oh, I can only get it from FlatHub. As a chat client for Twitch TV. Okay, but does it have those emotes and whatnot? Or should I use
I
something else for that? Like the Frankie
I
VSC.
don't think it's too bad like that.
What?
You can see my screen on stream.
Yeah, I can see it. I'm not looking at it right now though. I'm trying to figure something else out. Hmm.
The effect with the circuitry and the body. It bleed
I'm
out
not.
outside of the mask a little, but
Mm, come on. Chatterino is not the best looking. It's not GTK4, it is QT. At least it looks QT. Or GTK3, I don't know. I definitely can't. Theme, system.
I could try side scrolling.
Yeah, no, I do not like that this is like that. I'm probably just gonna have something else besides Chatterino. Uh, doing it a CLI application or a TUI. Twitch, chat, TUI. Twitch TUI. Yeah, okay, I found something. Of course it was. Where is it? Was it in? Oh, it's in Rust. It's only someone only made it for. It's only packaged for Nix, motherfucker. HTUI.
Let me remove the mask.
If it's packaged for Nix, it might also be on Brew. Because I don't know. Use this application, stream link to Brew. No. The application has Vim and Emacs inspired keybinds to mean you will start out in visual mode. Okay, that's what I want. I mean, releases. Hmm. Uh, Release available on Crates.io. Download the binary through
Texture.
Cargo install. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna need Rust. Song Rust. Select Rust up. Rust up.
Ah,
I need to probably pull out my browser or app or whatever. Which app? Control.
fuck.
Oh, there's not much happening. I thought there'd be a little bit more happening.
I got the GPU error.
Oh fuck. Sorry that I'm coughing a bit. I don't like when I do that, but it's just it is what it is. I don't want to portrait lock it. Let me have my on like this if I want to. And now let me portrait lock it. There we go. Now I've got the chat is up on my phone and I can look at it from time to time and type. So that's good for now. I do, however, want to get rusted to get this.
Mm.
Excuse me.
Why is everything so gray?
Hmm.
Hmm. Maybe I should try another monochrome converter. I think that one was good. At least last time I used it.
Yeah. Did I already install Rust? I did not install Rust. So, stable, session default, press enter. Okay. Wish I could stream, but my laptop is not capable of that. And I don't have my computer running. I need to
Yeah,
figure that out.
you really need to figure out your computer situation.
I do.
Theory, everything should work. You could not have gotten that unlucky.
I've gotten unlucky before. Do you like? Are you underestimating how much bad luck I can take? Like it's like honest. What shell am I in?
I mean, sure, the motherboard may be defective, but maybe not.
Uh, G8 is no. I don't want to change shell. Uh, CH SH. How do I know what shell I'm using? Does this come with ZSH? Yeah. Does this come with Bash? Yes. Excuse me. All right, let me ls dash a. I need to get my other things. Bash RC, ZSH RC. What if I type in ZSH? Oh, it just puts me in the same shell. Yeah, I'm in ZSH. I want to change the theme though.
There.
Uh,
Save it converted.
Level. Okay.
That one
Uh,
did true black and true white.
on my ZSH plus power level 10k. Create windows, Windows. Yeah. ZSH.
No, I can
On
add a
my
filter.
ZSH. Uh, time. Yeah. Okay. I want to override it with um, now power level 10k. Bitcoin. That's it there. Which also for me. I do need a bit more fonts though. I do need font awesome. Oh, fun.
There we have a mask.
If you need to name it, change the let's see, 16 to the following. Okay, make sure your terminal font is Fira Code NF. Uh, I don't have it. Uh, so nerd font. Menzler nerd font. Okay. What is the nerd font?
It just close our potential source of crash and then we can put the texture back on.
Fire code, nerd fonts, the fonts. Nerd fonts. Uh, can I just what about the package? Is there just a package called nerd fonts that I can just uh, copper? um, Control F. Fedora.
Well,
Oh, it's no. Not sure that. Okay. IBM. Nope. No fonts. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I might just sudo DNF and nerd dash fonts font font awesome dash fonts dash all. 'Cause I always get that because that helps with all the icons. Power level 10K.
There, we have the hair redone.
Yay! You know, I have so many ants that I just kind of have a labyrinth set up for them. I've got a bunch of empty soda cans, and then I've got like where they're in clear view. So if I see them, I can kill them, or sorry, game end them. I can game end the ants. Um, I shouldn't have said that. Um, so then I've got my my fiery hot Cheetos right next to pop can, so that uh can ants feel capsaicin?
Ah,
Because
that's a
if
good
they
question. I know it don't affect birds or my cat,
but but if it affects ants, then oh my god, I'm having fun.
but my cat is a
'Cause-
special case.
Oh, both this affect cats?
Normally,
Your cat's just a badass.
my cat is just a little gremlin that is too obsessed with food to care.
Oh, she doesn't get any of the side effects and the knockback, the not no, JK. And
He
the
cares so
hunger.
little that the food is spicy because it's food that it don't affect him. It doesn't affect him.
He's just like, oh, food. He's orange. He's at least a little bit orange. Gar
Maybe in his mind is orange.
he's Garfield, but except instead of hating Mondays, he hates not being up on your fucking counter or desk or whatever.
Yeah, is addicted to the desk.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of desk, I'm curious how long it will last on the dead battery.
Hmm. I need to get all of the fonts, and I mean all the fonts, all of them, so I can actually see some things on Discord because some people use some terrible ass fonts. It's like, how am I supposed to see that, without installing all the friggin' fonts? What do you expect? Like some of these things will literally just be fucking blocks. So can you use normal fonts, please, for once in your life? Like please? Like, but it's like no. Fedora, all the fonts.
How long will my
Is
watch last on a dead battery?
is there something that's like all repository fonts like on no, hmm, no, uh and decorative fonts, all these are decorative. I might need MS fonts, package fonts, or Apple fonts. Just fill in all the fucking gaps.
I miss that little pebble. Those watch were so good.
Oh yeah. There's fonts. Mother. Okay. Black box. Yeah, that's complete. Um, RPM, Fusion, all fonts, Fusion, LPFs. Oh, there's a there's an LPF package for MS fonts. Are you kidding me? Yeah, if the local build it, fucking stupid. LPF dash MS core dash fonts. Apparently, just like Spotify, you have to local build it unless you want to get the. Well, I mean, if you want the FlatHub version, get the FlatHub version of Spotify, but you can't like get the FlatHub version of some friggin' core fonts, you know?
Mm,
They don't.
fine.
FlatHubs don't. The FlatHub doesn't work like that. So
Now, time for the reflection and specular.
so I need to add my user. So instead of sudo sudo user mod s a dash g ekg dash builds
The main body has a
or
proper AO map.
builds groups. Gotta do LPF update. Your user is added but has not but hasn't taken effect. When the user logs in again, please log out and log in. Or do exec soup Blair. Uh, uh, okay. Looks like I gotta log out and log back in on my page. Uh, I realized I didn't have caffeine on. Also, my brightness is all the way low. What the fuck? Log out. Oh, sorry. Can I curse? Should I not?
You can curse a little bit.
Uh, thank you.
There is only a rule about excessive cursing.
Like if I curse and I'm because I'm frustrated at something, that's fine. As long as I'm not like FFDFFF, you know?
Yeah.
3, wait, do I have that on Rosé Pine or do I have that on Rosé Pine Moon? Rosé Pine Moon, well, Rosé Pine is apparently darker. Okay. So now it's all these fonts and then I'm gonna reboot. I got the chat on my screen. Rosé Pine. That's my fonts, it's on. Okay. And now it's on CTL. Well, actually, first let me fc dash cache dash fb. No, sudo fc dash cache. Anything that's what I was looking for, not these are styles. I need to get no troops. Okay. Because even though that's the only thing that allows me to theme the root stuff. Um, DNF and non dash tweaks. Okay. And I know extensions are never. See applications. There is no continue. Version like. I can't do that. I need Rose Palm GTA 3. This is like oh, that's happening on my phone.
Ah, ah,
Yeah. Mm, mm, It's fine. It's fine, man. It's fine. Dude, I expect it. It's fine. Donna, it's fine. It's fine, man. We'll see. Bring that to uh, dot themes, and then I'll copy those to oh, I know I have dot themes. Yeah, I just want really fun anyways. It's definitely a concept.
I think
To
13 is the sweet spot.
copy Rose Pine dash GTK slash USR slash themes. No, cancel. USR slash themes slash. There we go. So I don't copy it into the fucking thing. Copy it into its own fucking folder. Not specified committing directory. Oh, I forgot to do. Moon. Okay. And then let's do dash dawn. Dash GTK.
For known show, okay. Setting a satellite, otherwise it's easy to team live flip colors. Oh, lifestyle to light, flip colors. Okay. Mm, Put that in.
Always save before Windows decide that I don't have a GPU.
Hmm. um, Rename your chosen variants.css file into gtk.css. Okay, so there's GTK4. Oh, that's GTK3. We need the K4.gz local extract K4. Rosepine.css. Let's copy to .config. It's K4. Re. Select here. And let's go to okay, let's delete that and let's turn that into the thing. Config. K4. Delete that. And rename this to gtk.css. And then if we can put on the okay. Mhm. Tweaks. Okay, I like me. Tweaks again. Well, I need to open this here. I'll open. Oh, yeah. Uh, actually, sudo -I and then -tweak. Okay. Parents, and then legacy applications. Oh, it doesn't fucking show up still. Right. Mm, I need Alex appearance then. Yeah, DNF and Alex appearance. Alex appearance has been pretty good to me. It's probably one of my favorite things to use for changing just about anything. Like when it comes to themes, at least for GTK stuff. Just do Alex appearance. Uh, oh, it's not in there. Maybe it's not in there.
Okay, that's getting good.
I guess I'm gonna just go regular. I'm still in the sudo. I'm still in the root. No, let's
Yeah.
exit.
Don't do stupid shit with root.
I wasn't trying to do stupid shit. I was just trying to change the theme because I want my theme to be not. I want my theme to go be across not just my regular applications, but other applications. When I'm like when I open something as root, like for some reason, I don't know. I don't usually do that, but you know what I mean. No, it's okay. I should have typed log out. That's what I should have typed. Okay.
Exit work too.
I did do exit and it didn't want to fucking work. Okay. So it just doesn't want to fucking work. It doesn't like regular, it doesn't like themes in that area. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to put in dot themes then for some fucking reason. New folder. Dot themes. As user share themes didn't want to work for some reason. I think I just put it in the wrong folder somehow. I need to figure that out. I need to go /usr/share theme. Yeah, it didn't go in there. Where did I put it? And I can't paste. Yeah, okay. I did not put that in user share themes yet. That's my issue. Open console. Top sudo copy dash r rows find dash ptk slash to slash usr slash share slash themes slash I just copied that too. Okay, now let me go to your slash usr slash put slash usr slash share slash themes.
No.
Okay, yeah, it did put that in there, but I wanted to put all three of those in there. Because there's three themes. On dash, Dawn dash, and then dash. So there's Pine. It's Moon. There you go. I can.
Wow.
Is it under look and feel? No. What's Alex's parents under? I don't know. Yeah, it's customized look and feel. Oh, okay. That's fine. There we go. Now I can do sudo dash I. No. I know doing LX appearance is better, but I like doing gnome dash tweaks because it's one I'm used to change the appearance. Legacy applications.
GNOME Tweak is alright. Ah,
Yeah, it's not bad by any means. I also need to. Okay. Copy. Um, layer slash. On slash PTK for to
oh, I'm so
slash
dehydrated.
is it slash home dash root or is it slash root? Slash home slash okay. That'll just be slash root slash let's copy person dot com there is no dot content. And now ls there's a GTK4 thing in there. Okay. Now if I copy GTK 3 1 from here. Three point. There's other 3 point. No, there wasn't. Okay. Okay. Now exit. Alpha sudo gnome dash tweak. No. Sudo dash I. I don't like sudoing the thing.
There. We are getting ready to upload.
Oh yeah. Yay, the theme works even on fucking root stuff now. Okay, we're good. All right. My laptop is apparently 32%. Also, my fridge has been open this whole time. What the fuck? Sorry. Didn't mean to get obsessive with that. I was really honestly surprised.
Okay. Now.
Everything should be in my theme. Alpha, Alex, appearance. Okay, now I need to set this to Rose Pine. And then let's exit. Now let's
Let's get that
yeah,
tested.
let's set this to Rose Pine. I don't like to install a bunch of other LX stuff. So I'm gonna. Okay, fuck it. I'm just. I'm going with fish. GSH was not being nice. Let's CHSH.
This
CH,
sounds like a good idea.
SH, Blair, slash. I think it. Well, will it tell me where it is? Changing shell. Shell. No, select user. I mean, select QSI slash bin slash fish. And then let's sudo -I
Oh,
CHSH root.
definitely connected to my phone. Even though I
Then
don't know where my phone is right now.
no, but I want to set something to my default terminal because whatever terminal it has set as the default is not what I want. I want to use black box. Uh, apps, default apps. I can't set a default terminal. I want to change the opener console thing. That one. The right click menus. I think that'd be an extensive one. That's a long ago.
I'm not sure the battery is fully bad in my watch, but it's only something I can know in days.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
I gotcha.
With that one, you can only know if the battery is really, really bad in days. I dropped my back. Open.
I like I like no more than I remember because a lot of extensions are useful and kind of bring back some things I missed. Not everything,
Autofix
of
the
course.
map. I mean, yes, the extensions are good, and also the multitasking view is one of the best.
I like the hot edge extension. How I can just bring my mouse all the way down to the edge and then pull, and then I can just have the overview thing. like hot edges works amazingly instead of the, because I didn't like the, I don't like the just having it be like where the activities button is, because I want to get to the dock, so I would just, you know, so all I'm doing is really just kind of revealing the dock, but also opening the activities view type of thing. So it's more of a, it feels more natural because I'm used to just having a dock and doing it like and having a dock reveal when I do that, but this reveals the dock and the activities view, which is better. You know what I mean? So
Yeah. I like the activity view. One of the best. It's slightly better than the KDE one.
I like Blur in my shell, so it's really good. It's an awesome one. Uh, Great extension. Okay. Type house. How do I change the thing for fish? I want to change the. I didn't mean to launch. It's fine. Fish. Fish. Yeah. Show up. Erase configuration. How do I do the configuration? Mhm. Finish. Alright. Um, config started. Okay. Out. And let's set the one I want. There's usually one that looks better that I like. Uh,
Ah.
I know there is something that looks like the power level 10K thing for fish. G LDL 10K fish. Fish. I bet you're thinking of Tide. Okay. So Fisher, so Tide. Okay. Fisher, how do I get Fisher? Installation. Yeah, there you go. Let's see. Fisher. Um, Copy that. It's there. Yeah. The latest is 4.6.0. You have 4.2.0. Please update before submitting a bug report. I don't have the newest version. Yes. I like rainbow. Two color. Show current time. No, I forgot that in the taskbar. Let's see. Angle, vertical, sign. So angled. Uh, two. Dot. Two lines, character, and frame.
Mhm. Ooh.
Two. Dotted. Right. Dots. Right. No. Compact, sparse. Compact. Many icons. Enable transient prompt. Yeah, that means I don't have to see the fucking prompt a billion times in a row every time I go and type a command. I just see it where it's latest. Yes, please. Yeah.
Um,
Clear.
done.
Fine. Underscore. Oh no, I
Gonna
can't do
be
that.
pretty much the same in VR chat.
Uh
I'm low energy and I don't feel like testing.
oh. ls dash a.
It,
ZSHRC. Let's nano. ZSH. Let's see.
it's just right into star with how many lurker we have.
How many?
I don't know. They don't display lurker anymore.
Clear. Really? Clear.
No, they changed the way they display view. So if you're not active enough in the chat, they don't display a view. But everyone, before we raid, there's a little something.
ZSHRC. Didn't do fish RC.
There's a new, there's a little extension that helps gun the view. If anyone is lurking and is interested, hear the link. It helps just count your view. Now, let's go right star. She is very nice. Pretty small, but pretty small and very nice. She was nice enough to share an invite link. Or VGen. So
Mm.
it's right into her. She's doing art too right now.
What's the raid message gonna be? Or do we have enough people for that?
We don't have many people. Let's just go with a I there.
Okay.
I from Sage.
hmm
I don't have emote yet, so did the raid go through yet?
Did the what go through?
Did the raid go through yet?
I don't know. It's still I'm still on your stream. Am I supposed to go to the other person's stream? What's their name?
Star sign.
What? Barcent? Just type it out to me. I'm probably gonna have to go onto the fucking
Yeah,
website.
I think the raid bugged out a little.
Oh, just text me the name of the streamer.